have noticed something about this video. Is it my hair? Probably. Well, you might have also noticed it's low resolution. Hello, everybody, and welcome to December the 1st, 2018. Kind of a milestone, in a way. We're almost at the end of the year, and I need your help. Now, all you need to do to help is give me your credit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit code in the back. Woo! Coming for you, voiceover Pete. Actually, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna fuck the wrong side. I'm gonna blue screen that shit out. I'm gonna put some gay shit behind me, and by gay I mean happy. It's December. It's the holidays. A Christmas Carol uses it that way. Why can't I? Woo! Bringing back an old meme, an old favorite. Cleaning the lens. Wow. What are you doing here? Why are you here? Why are you still watching this god-awful channel? Why are you watching this god-awful channel still watching? Why are you here? No one wants to be here. You're all forced to be here. Anywho, you might have noticed the audio's either going to be clean or garbage. It'll all depend when I get into post. As I'm got the iPhone over here. Over there. But to me it's over here. But like that would be that way if this TV was. Screw it. You don't understand why I'm saying these things. Yeah. Ribbit. This is going to be a weird time for the vlog. No, God, no, I'm not replacing the fucking regular shooting conditions with this. No, that would be torture. Also, rep Israel, even though I am not Jewish, or I think like some Muslim faiths have some places in Israel, and I was raised Catholic, but like I don't read the Bible anymore, and I haven't gone to church for like anything but funerals and years. So thanks, Nan. I really like the shirt. It's comfortable. It's like really comfortable, but like I don't Israel. Anywho, I didn't say good morning. Good morning. And just as quickly, good night. See y'all tomorrow. Because tomorrow is actually going to be fucking depressing. Sorry. Just warning you.